A recent Ipsos global survey found that only 63% of Indians say they're satisfied with their love life. That's among the lowest in the world. So clearly, something's off in how we're connecting. Another study found that 88% of married Indians feel that excessive smartphone use is hurting their relationship. Imagine that technology bringing us closer and yet keeping us apart at the same time. Relationships today feel different. We are more connected than ever. And yet, so many people feel lonely, feel unheard, or misunderstood, even in love. Somewhere between late night texts and endless scrolling, we've started losing touch with the real connection. The one that comes from listening, from patience, from presence. In India, especially, love is layered with family expectations, social pressure, and unspoken rules. We have told relationships should last forever, but no one really tells us how to make them last. Hi, I'm Ishita Gupta, your podcast host, an HR professional, and a life evolution coach. I am back with an impactful episode for you. You are listening to episode 42, Decoded Relationships series on Let's Evolve. So in today's episode, I want to pause and ask, what's really happening between couples today? Why are so many of us struggling to feel seen, heard, and safe in our relationships? Maybe it's not that love is disappearing. Maybe it's that we need to learn new ways to understand it. This episode is not about blame or failure. It's about awareness and understanding. About understanding what's shifting in modern relationships and how we can bring back a little more honesty, empathy, and healing into the way we love. Relationships can be between friends, family, spouse, colleagues. Relationships can be professional, they can be personal. But today I'm launching this series for personal relationships and specifically for partners who love each other for companionship. I've been noticing how often people talk about feeling drained in their relationships, not because they don't love each other, but because they don't know how to navigate the changes life keeps throwing at them. I've been hearing and seeing so many couples, even people who really care for each other, struggling to stay connected. It's not always about big fights or dramatic breakups. Sometimes it's just that quiet distance that slowly builds up. You know when you're together, but not really together. So कुछ गलत या सही नहीं होता है इसमें, पर जो हमें हमारे रिलेशनशिप के लिए सही लगता है हम वही अप्लाई करना चाहिए. और मैं सीरीज़ लॉन्च में कुछ मेन हेडर्स बताऊंगी जो मुझे अपने एक्सपीरियंस और नॉलेज ने सिखाया है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि बहुत लोग इस चीज़ से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. पिछले कुछ मंथ्स में मैंने बहुत लोगों से बात की, सुना, उन्हें ऑब्जर्व किया और सभी को मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि सभी को रिलेशनशिप्स में कोई ना कोई इशू है जिससे उन्हें मेंटली इफेक्ट हो रहा है. द क्लोजर द पीपल आर टू यू एंड योर हार्ट, stress levels tend to go up in case of any conflicts. We need to address this and very quickly. Let's look at some of the topics that we will be covering in this series. 1. Phases of relationship. 2. Boundary setting. 3. Expectations. 4. Mutual respect and standing up. 5. Inner work. And under inner work, we'll also be taking up healing inner child wounds. 6. Communication and conflict. Under communication and conflict, there are 2 episodes that I would like to cover: fighting fair and love language. And the last one is maintenance. These are only a few topics that I would want to cover. Looking forward to sharing some tips and tricks and experience through these topics in the upcoming episodes. Let me share my quote for the episode today with you. A strong relationship isn't built on the days you laugh together. It's built on the days you choose to stay together, even when it's hard. Yes, it is the partnership during difficult days. If you cross the difficult part together, your relationship strengthens 10x. Join me in this series of episodes and let us move towards more healthier and stronger relationships. Let us evolve the existing relationship with your partner in the best way possible. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes in this series. If you feel connected with me and it gives you a positive feeling, do reach out to me for a coaching session by booking my time on the link mentioned in the description. I support middle-aged individuals reach greater heights by evolving and turning their life around. Do share it within your circles. Do like, share, download and subscribe to my channel. Let's evolve. Have a wonderful day ahead.